All right, hello everyone. So this is a lockdown special video. Um, so what I've got here is the Wahl Mini Pro cordless trimmer, but especially for trimming my hair and getting a mini haircut to get through the lockdown period. So what I'm going to do in this video is open this pack and show you what it contains. Right, you can see here it is a small handy pack, has a 3 years warranty on it, says precision blades and combs with cutting lengths from 0.5 millimeters to 13 millimeters. Other features: the blades are precision ground and it is stamped. So it also gives you some specs on the back side. So the specs include battery operated trimmer, comes with a 1 AA battery, 6 guide combs, has a comb size number 1 of 3 millimeters, size number 2 6 millimeters, size number 3 which is 10 millimeters, and size number 4 13 millimeters. Also has a left ear taper, a right ear taper, a barber comb, and a mini mustache comb. You can see some pictures of some of these accessories on here. Okay, so that's for what's on the packaging. Now let's open it up and see what's in it. Okay, so here we go. So this is what it is. Let's see what's there inside. It comes with this battery trimmer instruction, 10 pages, small instruction booklet like that. And the first thing I've taken out is this comb, so very handy. All the combs and other accessories are in this wee plastic bag. And now for the main thing, this is your trimmer. So it's not very big. If I compare it with the size of my phone, it's almost the same size as my phone. Okay, so these are the blades. They look fairly sharp and it is quite comfortable to hold. Nice smooth features. This is where you would turn your battery on and off. The battery case is right here. So that's your battery case. Now let's open this plastic bag and see what it has. Comes with this another plastic bag with a little bit of oil in it, comb, that's the right ear taper, that's the number 1 comb, that's the number 3 comb, the left ear taper, another item in there, one more comb, that's number 2, and finally you have this number 4. Now to show you how to fit these combs onto the trimmer. It's fairly straightforward. So we just go on top like that, and fit it on top of the trimmer. And if you want to take it out, just pull it out like that. Very straightforward. And once you put your battery in and switch it on, then it'll start working. Right, that's what it is. It's fairly compact, easy to carry around. You can take it in a small pack like that. Just place your trimmer in and all your combs, and very handy to take along on a travel journey. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed this. So that was the Wahl Mini Pro cordless trimmer. Thank you.